Welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the background color in TradingView. If you're completely new and have zero experience with TradingView, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step. TradingView is a powerful charting platform used by traders worldwide to analyze markets like stocks, Forex, and crypto. One of the first things many beginners want to customize is the chart background color, especially if the default white or dark theme doesn't feel comfortable to your eyes. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Chart section so you can see a full chart on your screen. Now, look at the top right corner of the chart area. You'll see a gear icon. This is the Chart Settings button. Click on that gear icon. A settings window will pop up. Inside this window, you'll see multiple tabs at the top. Click on the tab that says Appearance. In the Appearance section, look for the option called Background. Here, you'll see color boxes. TradingView usually allows you to set two background colors if you're using a gradient, or you can set a single solid color. To change the background color, simply click on the color box. A color picker will appear. From here, you can either choose a color manually or enter a specific hex color code if you have one. If you want a clean, solid background, make sure both background color boxes are set to the same color. If you want a gradient effect, choose two slightly different colors. After selecting your preferred color, click OK or Apply at the bottom of the settings window. Your chart background will instantly update. If you want to save this setup so you don't lose it later, click on the Layout option at the top of the screen and choose Save. This ensures your custom background stays the same even after you refresh or log out. And that's it. That's how you change the background color in TradingView step by step. Customizing your chart may seem small, but it can make a big difference in comfort and focus, especially if you spend hours analyzing charts. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly TradingView guides. I'll see you in the next one.